Oh, we got a firecracker here, more like a stick of dynamite. 1971 Chevelle has 2,000 miles since a body-off-frame restoration, has a performance-built 462 big block fuel-injected motor, has a new Tremec 5-speed, 373 posi, upgraded suspension, Willwood four-wheel disc brakes, vintage air conditioning, and it's painted Ferrari Red. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the information. Take your time to look at all the pictures. That's where you'll find a price tag on this car and every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option. They'll go up to 15 years on most of our cars to really make it easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe and click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, that top is down. Let's go for a spin. Yes, body off the frame. The entire chassis was rebuilt and painted, and it's all nice and clean under there. The floors are all nice metal, all painted. The front end, all rebuilt, everything. The ball joints, bushings, steering components. It does have an upgraded, fatter sway bar. It also has upgraded Bilstein gas shocks all the way around. Has a custom rear suspension. Tubular adjustable upper and lower control arms with a big fat sway bar it's not your typical sway bar that you just see bolted in. They're calling it a 4-link system. I think it's a Ride Tech, but I'm not sure. Dual exhaust, wait till you hear it at the end of the video. Big fat exhaust, either 2.5-inch or 3-inch exhaust, crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. It's all tucked up under there real nice, has turned down tips. They did a nice job with that. Fuel system was replaced and of course upgraded for the fuel injection. It has a the proper electric fuel pump for that. So all the suspension, the brakes, all new replaced brake system. It has Willwood disc at all 4 wheels. You look up at the motor, clean. The motor mounts are new. High torque starter. It has a heavy-duty scatter shield, a TKO 5-speed Tremec transmission, McLeod clutch, if I said it right. It has a new high-performance drive shaft with a safety loop. In back, it's a 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears and strange axles. So underneath the car has got a lot going on. The body, let's check it out. It is painted Ferrari Red, so it's a slick, bright red. It has the SS domed hood on it. Absolutely straight, fits beautifully, not a ripple. This lines up real nice, smooth, all metal, not a bubble, not a dent, nothing. This is all pristine metal. Excellent, outstanding. No rust, no damage. The seam is right here. All convertibles eventually crack. So this does have a hairline crack. It's on almost all of them. But this is all straight, lines up, square, and flush. No issues. It has the same crack on this side here. Quarter panel is mint, straight, all real nice, lines up real nice. Straight, no rust, no damage at all. It has the sport mirrors painted red. Now the paint, slick. I mean, it's polished like a red mirror. I can look right into it, see the reflection of the ceiling. The stripes are painted on real nice and smooth. Here's a hairline crack about that long. Looks like a piece of hair laying right there. Actually, it feels like it's raised a little bit. I bet they slammed the hood on something and cracked it. It's a little tight right here, so there are a few little chips right there. And I didn't really see much else. Right here on top of the door, there's a couple of chips that were touched up. Door handle looks new. The rubber seals look new. Windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure that's replaced. All the trim, the stainless, all that's replaced. Has the original style wheels that look like they're new or restored. 15-inch with some nice BFG tires. The wheel well moldings were replaced. It's a white convertible top. It's a power top in excellent shape. You can see pictures of that on our website. So in back, the bumper, the tail lights, the emblems, all that's looking really sharp. Smooth stripes. Here's a chip right on the edge that's touched up. They just put this boot on, they didn't clean it, and actually this should be attached to the back of the seat, so that could be made to look a lot nicer. All right, I think that's the outside. The front looks good, the grille, the bumper, all that's real slick. Let's open it up, show you the inside. See what we got in here, see if there's room for lawn chairs and a cooler. All right, under the trunk lid is painted that slick Ferrari Red. The jam is painted nice. Couple chips on the inside of the jam here. Weather strip is replaced. Inside the trunk, all solid metal. I've lifted the mats, all clean. It's spatter painted. The well liner's replaced. You can see we do have a spare. It's a matching wheel with a BF Goodrich tire. It's never been used. It does have the jack assembly. They bought an assembly manual to go with the car. And it looks like someone left a fire extinguisher in there too. Always a good idea to have in an old car. Actually, a few of the car clubs, their judged shows they take off points if you don't have a fire extinguisher. They're trying to encourage or promote safety. Door jambs are painted nice. Weather strips are replaced. A couple chips in the door jambs, but they look good. Door panels are replaced. Notice it's got all the SS trim inside and out. It has the SS dash with the round gauges, including the tachometer. And then this is your fuel injection screen that gives all the engine vitals, tachometer, and all that stuff as well. A retro stereo, power top. Inside the glove box, the light works. Carpets, floor mats, all nice. Console's real nice. Has the 5-speed indicator, the Hurst shifter, AC vents neatly installed. These are electric. The originals would have been old cables that are hard to slide, so that's all updated. The seats are real nice. Got a couple wrinkles in the driver's seat here, but they've been reupholstered. Nice white interior, stays cool, much cooler than a black interior. Back seat, all that's real nice. Very good interior. Not perfect, but very good. Sure is slick. This is a bright red. So it is a 7.4 liter. That's a 454. It's been reworked or bored, and it's a 462. It's got a performance cam, high revving roller rockers in there. GM aluminum intake on top. You can't see it, but it's a Holley Sniper fuel injection system. It's got a new HEI ignition system. Does have the big port heads. It has ceramic coated super comp hooker headers. It's got a chrome alternator, aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator with 2 electric fans, a chrome cover on top. Looks like the horns are new, has a gel battery, polished AC compressor, has power steering, we got power brakes. There's another reservoir right there. That's for a hydraulic clutch. So it's got all the good stuff. This thing sounds like a beast. Fast revving. Well, I appreciate you watching the video. I know nobody's probably interested in a Ferrari Red Chevelle convertible with a 5-speed and a big block in air. But if you are, this is a fantastic example. It's a road car too. This car, get out and drive it and shift it and enjoy it. That's what this car is all about. Go to any local car show, you're going to win trophies, you're going to get compliments anywhere you go. But again, the best part, it's going to be that nice Sunday morning you get up and you go ripping around town with it. Right now you can go to volocars.com. That's where you can get in touch with the salesman. They'll answer your questions. They'll help get it delivered. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.